So apparently is one versatile yet sneaky word that tricks many folks. Let's cover all the usages starting with the intermediate ones. The first one, it's used for information you have heard but haven't personally verified. So you use apparently when the information comes from another source and you aren't fully sure if it's true. In the Hindi sense, it works as सुना है कि और कहा जा रहा है कि. Here are some examples. सुना है कि वो सिंगर पहले पुलिस में था. Apparently, that singer used to work for the police, which is the same as saying, from what I hear, the singer used to work for the police. Second one, सुना है कि आज शाम को बारिश होगी. Apparently, it's going to rain this evening, and which works the same as they say it's going to rain this evening. Third, सुना है कि कंपनी नेक्स्ट मंथ यहाँ से शिफ्ट होने वाली है. Apparently the company is moving next month, which works just like word is that the company is moving next month. Let's come to the second use, which is when reality turns out to be different from what you believed. So you use apparently when you discover that your earlier belief or assumption was wrong. In the Hindi sense, this works as asl mein और बाद में पता चला कि. Examples. The first one, मुझे लगा था कि ट्रेन 6 बजे है पर असल में 5 बजे है. I thought the train was at 6. Apparently it's at 5. And that's the same as saying, it turns out the train is at 5 and not 6. Second, मैं समझता था कि वो single है पर असल में married है. I thought he was single. Apparently he is married, which can also be said as turns out he is married. Third, मुझे लगा एग्जाम easy होगा पर असल में काफ़ी tough था. I thought the exam would be easy. Apparently it was quite tough. You can say that again as it turned out to be quite tough. On to the third use, a reason or explanation that seems true but isn't fully confirmed. So you use apparently when you think something looks like the reason but you don't claim it as a definite fact. In Hindi sense, that's like ऐसा लगता है कि और ऐसा हो सकता है कि और शायद इसी वजह से. Examples. लगता है कि उनकी separation का reason पैसा था. They separated over money issues apparently. And that's the same as saying, it seems they separated because of money issues. Second, ऐसा लगता है कि उसने pressure की वजह से job छोड़ी. She resigned due to work pressure apparently, which is the same as it looks like she resigned because of work pressure. Third, शायद delay traffic की वजह से हुआ. The delay happened because of traffic apparently, and you can also express that as the delay seems to have happened due to traffic. And those were the intermediate usages. Too little time for discussing all, so please check out the pinned comment for the advanced ones. Thanks so much.